Complete guide to find trending audios on Instagram. Hi guys, it's Sydney. So trending audio is one of the key elements that can help your videos to go viral. So to find trending sound, the first way you can do is first you tap on the reel tab right here at the bottom. Now you can see on the left side there's a trending sign like this, and this means this sound is trending. If I tap on the audio here, you can see it says trending here. So if you keep scrolling, you can see some sounds have the trending sign but some don't. Now I will share with you how you can find trending sound in only 2 tabs. First, you go to professional dashboard right here, tap on that one. Now you scroll down and you will see trending audio, and tap on that. You will see the list of trending sounds right here. You see that? Really powerful, right? And now if I tap on this one, you see E here. Okay, so this is an early trending sound. You see there are few reels that is using the sound is only more than 1,000 reels. And the original reel that used this sound has 1.7 million views. However, this is not a good news. Not all Instagram account has this feature. So how can you find those trending sound? It's simple. You can follow me at dailypaysite here, and I will post weekly or even daily trending sound that you can tap on my video and use the sound that I am using. Happy posting, guys. This is Sydney and my first video on this Instagram account, so I want it to have a lot of values in it, and I hope you've learned something this far. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.